Welcome to Turtle Mound.
What is not a jungle about?
We walked to the top of Turtle Mound and experienced breathtaking views of the ocean and the lagoon from multiple overlooks. A 35-foot high pathway to the top, it is the tallest shell mound on the east coast of Florida.
What a view. I've always loved this place.
So this is what they call the Mosquito Lagoon